Tired of juggling due dates and stamps just to pay your bills? If you're an EverBank client, there's a much simpler way to manage your payments right from your computer or phone. I'm talking about the free, secure, and incredibly convenient EverBank online bill pay service. It lets you schedule payments, set up recurring transactions, and keep track of everything in one place. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to set up and start using EverBank's online bill pay feature to save you time and, let's be honest, a little bit of stress. The first thing you need is, of course, to be registered and logged into your EverBank online banking account. You can do this either through the main EverBank website or via the mobile app. Once you've successfully logged in, look for the Transfer and Pay or simply Bill Pay tab or menu option. This is your gateway to managing all your payees and payments. Now, let's add a new biller. Select the option to add a biller or add a payee. You will then need to enter the necessary details for the company or person you want to pay. This usually includes the payee's name, address, and your account number with that company, which you can typically find on a paper bill or an e-statement. EverBank's system often has many companies pre-registered. So, start by typing the name of the company, like City Power Company or My Credit Card, and the system may automatically populate the address and other standard information for you. If it does, great. If not, you'll manually input the required fields. Once all the details are correct, save the payee. With your payee saved, you can now schedule a payment. Find the biller in your list and choose the option to make a payment. You'll need to enter 3 key pieces of information. 1. The amount you want to pay. 2. The account you want the payment to be withdrawn from if you have multiple EverBank accounts. And 3. The send date. This is super important. The system will show you the estimated delivery date, which helps you ensure the payment arrives on time. Remember to schedule payments a few business days before the actual due date, just in case. If this is a bill you pay every month, you can often select Set up Recurring Payment. This feature is a game changer. You can choose the frequency, monthly, weekly, or bi-weekly, and a start and end date. This means you can essentially set it and forget it. Once you've reviewed all the details, the amount, the date, and the account, confirm the transaction. EverBank will process the payment, and you'll receive a confirmation. That's it. Your bill is paid, and you've saved yourself a trip to the post office or the hassle of calling in a payment. You can always go back to your bill pay dashboard to view your payment history and modify or cancel future payments if needed. The EverBank online bill pay service is designed for simplicity and security, giving you total control over your monthly finances. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.